Hey guys, it's Jody Fitz from the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. We are going to make a quick snack. It's an energy bite, and I call this one the snowball. All right, here's how we're going to make it. I have some Rice Krispie treats that are going to go in here. I have some oats. They're just the old-fashioned rolled oats. I like to add a little chia seeds in, so we're going to add a little bit of that, and just a little bit of the dark chocolate morsels. Okay, it's looking like it's not going to stick very well together, and it's not. I'm going to kind of stir those together for now, kind of distribute the mini chocolate chips so that they're throughout the two cereals that we have in here. Then I went ahead and I took the dates. I know you're probably saying, ooh, dates, but trust me, you're not going to be able to taste these in here. I took some of the pitted dates and I went ahead and put them in my little mini food chopper. You can use a food processor or a blender. And I went ahead and I chopped them up. And so I'm just going to add those into the mix as well. So we've got those in here. I'm going to spread them out. When we start to roll these, it's going to help be part of our food glue that's edible and helps everything stick together. I'm going to add a little bit of peanut butter in, and if you can't have peanut butter, I just want to show you that at your Price Chopper Market 32 stores, they have some great alternatives, including Wow Butter, which you can find right in their allergy-friendly aisle. I love it as an alternative, and then a little bit of honey. Go, get that in there. And now I'm just going to mix this all together. I'm going to spread it throughout. Takes a little bit of work, just kind of chopping it in, as you can see, getting the cereal scooped in to get it all covered. It's going to be a little bit sticky. And what you can go ahead and do before you start this process at home is grab a baking sheet. Just put a little bit of wax paper on there or some parchment paper. And what we're going to do is once we start to form these, we can put them right on there. But first, I'm going to work through this, get all of the peanut butter and the honey so that all of the cereal, you can see that it's starting to stick together because some larger chunks are coming up, which is great. Of course, if your hands are all clean, make sure you wash them before you start the rolling part. This is super delicious. And then, I did clean my hands before we started. I'm going to get my hands in here. I'm going to make sure that it's covered all the way through. You can even add some sunflower seeds in here if you like them, and some raisins. All right, so now I'm just going to form these into balls, roll them together, a little sticky, and that's what the coconut is for. I'm going to roll it in the coconut to make a snowball, and then I'm going to put these onto my pan. I'm going to pop them in the fridge until they set, and your energy bites are ready to eat. All right, guys, follow along. I'm going to share all of the ingredients and the measurements that we use. Make sure to take a look at the melted snowman recipe, which is a delicious smoothie. And make sure to print your cover, your cookbook cover for the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. Then you can follow along with me and build your own cookbook at home. Thanks for making the snowball bites. Have an awesome day.